morning, Sunday is playtime. We're going on our road run in Wisbech today. 200 trucks on it and cars. Yeah, and I'm in my trusty 143 that I use again, so I'll show you around. Hey! Look at that, nice little F7, F10. Oh, John! Hey! 143, F88. Oh, look, got revs in here. Rev it up. Old Sedinaki Strato. Got Dean there, he's used to being on content. Big John and Ryan there. Oh, we'll get John on, he's not been in the content. ERF, XJCV. Oh, got Strato on there. Oh. Quite low profile tyres on the drive axle, that, isn't it? This is the fleet service pickup coming on the run today. That suits you. What's your name? Is your name Donald Warrington? Yeah. Oh. Little Thames. That would have been better for Logie, you can get in and out of that easier.
Yeah, you alright?
Look, John, we're on convoy today on the road run.
Where are we going, Ian?
We are going to Wisbech on the run. That's a lineup you don't see going out the yard every day. Look at that. That was an ERF A series, Volvo F10, Volvo F88, Volvo F7 China 6, Thames pickup, and we are in the 143. And behind in the mirror is Dean in the Sedinaki 401. Are you getting content, John?
I am, Ian.
Yeah. John looks quite funny in the pickup, with the service pickup with us. No tools.
It's because we don't need them.
Come on, Gary, get going.
How's the lorry, Ian?
The lorry is superb. I love a 143. Had a few myself. Actually had a left-hand drive one as well. Sold it and it's still going.
So you built that one right?
I built them all right, your pants. They look good, don't they, John?
They do look very good. Don't expect nothing else from Mr. Thomas. Very busy today.
Yes, look at that. Lots of nice vehicles here.
Yes.
I've never been in this square. Have you been in this square?
Yes. Once or twice.
Do you like that, John?
Yes, very nice.
Yes. Let's have a wee look on the old split rims. B series. Oh, my dad had one of these, although it was a later version. Commer TS3. That's the two-stroke. That's the earlier one. We had one with twin headlights. Oh, we're all right for a lift home. We've got the bus if we get pissed later on.
Yeah. Choice of two.
Yeah. Yeah. Little FM. Oh, there's John in. Oh, here he is. Yeah. That's all daft. That's nice, isn't it?
Plain.
Big ERF, man, but I do like them. But look at the number plate. I am.
That's a cool number plate.
That is a cool number, isn't it? Yeah. Let's go on. So you can see a splitty over here. Look.
Yes, that's more my cup of tea.
Yeah.
I don't know. I do like the 3.5.
Do you like? Do you like
colour
this
concept?
Do you like that with the trailer?
Yes.
What about the Capri?
Yeah.
You're probably a bit young for them.
No, I like them. My friends.
Yeah, we're looking for content, Stuart. Nice splitty.
F10.
Yeah, but I prefer the SK. Do I tell you a fact about these SKs?
Go on then.
Every part of the dash is interchangeable from left to right hand drive.
Yeah.
Apart from the steering box. Yeah. Is that yours, is it?
No.
Lovely, isn't it?
I don't know whose it is.
Don't know, it's lovely.
I've got an old Mercedes H-Ridge.
Yeah.
That'd be about 1992.
Oh yeah.
But that's before that, though, isn't it? That's R.
Ah, but that's older.
Older, yeah.
yeah.
I've seen that in the county truck stand.
Oh yeah.
It's a Peterborough.
Yeah, really good engineers. Too. Lots of nice cars here today. Lovely Mark 1 Escort. Look at Mark 1 Escort. Like that, John? Twin cam.
Nice.
Oh, nice Mark 2 over here. Look.
Yeah.
Mexico.
Probably going to get hated for this, but I prefer the 2 over the 1. Oh, but I like the E-Type.
Yeah, that's nice. A lot of nice cars, isn't it? A lot of Jags. Oh, little Triumph.
Where's the AA then?
Yeah, oh, for the Fords. There's Cortina down there. 2 litre gear. Oh, I'll send that to my mate Michael, you like that? Morning.
Morning, mate. You alright?
We're good. There we go. Oh, the register down here, look. Oh, yeah.
You saw them reversing in.
Oh, bikes. Old Morris. Wisbech District Historic Vehicle Club. Wouldn't want to say that when I'm drunk. What's that on here? 63 plate car. Let's have a look at this coming in here. Is that an AC or a Bison?
It's the res.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Yeah, Mammoth Major. That's nice, that. Scimitar. Oh. Where did I lost John? It's nice little cars here, isn't it?
Yeah. Who was you with?
Big John Spenser.
Oh, your mate.
Oh, I like that. My dad had one of him. 2.5 PI. Yeah.
Got your number, Ian?
2.5 PI. Oh, I feel a bit more Magnum PI. Do you like that, John? Hey, well, now I'm going to have a roll in a minute. I feel a bit peckish now. Oh,
I like
that?
this more,
Do you
though.
like that?
I like this more, though.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
See, you're just a bit lost. Tell you one thing, he fills that seat all right, doesn't he? Yeah.
Nipper, I want you to put me in a nice later on my lorry.
A nice later. Yeah, I'll have you.
How much is that going to cost? Well, can I take the immobiliser, bypass that? Because it's a pain in the ass. A little mobiliser you...
Do you know Knowles Transport? Now they are the other ones with a fantastic collection of classics. I thought that door was missing there.
Knowles Transport's about 15 minutes from my house.
Is it?
Yep.
Look at this, another Sabrina. There's only 2 I know left in existence. This is one,
Yep.
and John Thomas's is the other. This one's a 6x4 and John's is a 4x2. Seven. They are nice, aren't they?
How we doing?
Oh, let's have a wee wander. This way. I haven't actually seen Brett's one here yet either.
No.
That's nice, look at that. That's superb. Look at that.
Clean. Very
Yeah.
clean.
They're lovely. Oh, octopus. Well, why they call that an octopus, John? How many wheels?
8.
How many legs is an octopus got?
8.
Oh, I think Tony's turning left.
Yeah, he's been turning left since he pulled in it.
Yeah, yeah. We're just doing a bit of content, Dean. Alright, Ben? Oh, he's got it, the tang's on. Yes. Tony's turning left, indicator's been on for 20 minutes. I think he's waiting for somebody to pull out. You like that, John?
Aye.
I seen Logie were all over it.
He says he had some of them in the day, but the one in his good order is that.
Our viewers like ERFs. Tess, oh, they like that. Better give us a rev. Oh, Vegas has joined the gang. Let's hear that. That's a Jake break work, Tess. What? Cause. Pardon?
If it's early, would it work?
I did, yeah.
Yeah, if it don't work, this is electronic.
Oh, I'll let you. It did work. I've got a video of it coming out of Gaydon.
Yeah, it works. Yeah, if it
Works you're driving down the road.
Yeah,
Well, I'll get that today.
How's it going, Ian?
Well, we were front of the queue, then we stopped at certain brand for outside coffee, and now we're behind a Leyland. Lucky, if we break down, we are okay. We won't break down, though, we're in the SCANIA. Jim?
You gonna go to the gym today, Ian?
Yeah, I'm going to the gym. No, sorry, I'm going to see Jim.
Ah.
Yeah.
Your gym serves.
Hello.
Your gym serves pints, doesn't it?
Yes.
Pints and steak.
Yes. And coffee today.
Yeah.
So, John,
Yeah.
we're now heading towards Spalding.
Yeah.
I think I'm stuck in 1950s now. Well, maybe late 60s, 70s with the Leyland in front. Old Bedford in front of that.
All
Won't be
right.
breaking any records today, but today is a Sunday drive. Looking at old classics.
Slowing everybody else up.
Now, are you in a hurry?
No?
Hall Beach. I will say, I do like Hall Beach.
You gonna move from Scotland to here?
No. But I will come and visit.
Is that because you got too much?
Too much work. The dire discipline. Chandler's Farm Machine.
You wanna buy a tractor?
No, I don't like tractors. I better not say that down the fence. Tractor man down here right now. I've never been into tractors, just tractor units.
Ah.
A lot of my friends are into them though. Car boot here today. Oh. I won't give us some sun. I'm just going to put my shorts on today now, John.
I think you should.
Yes. Now with dark colours and we're burned.
Because you are from Scotland and it's
Yes.
never sunny.
Well done. Oh, we're going past it.
What's going on, Ian?
I think Howard's are pulled in late by here. We're going straight on. So anyway, John, I've been thinking, I've been driving this lorry now for 3 weeks.
Yeah. How are you finding it?
Well, I've had lots of 143s in my time. I'm quite young, but I've had lots of 143s.
Are you?
Yeah. Well, you're old compared to you. But compared to the generation that drove these, I am relatively young. And people say, oh, do you prefer the 164 or the 143? The truth is, it's so hard to choose. I like a 164. But the more I drive this, my allegiance kind of goes back to a 3 series a wee bit. Always like these. And I've like a serious fondness to the strut.
Are you going to buy another one?
Yes, but don't tell Tracy.
Okay.
It's a secret.
Yeah.
I think I will buy another one. It's an investment, that's the word I'm going to use. So yeah, watch this space. Right?
Like the golf.
Secretly look-
Investment like the golf.
The golf is an investment.
Yeah.
And the only problem is I may have to sell a golf to buy the 143. That would hurt.
Do you want to buy a...
I did do a serious rebuild on that golf. Tracy does not believe me that I rebuilt all that suspension in that car and the bottom end. But it's because it looks so good.
It does look
I'm
good.
actually going to do a future video on the golf.
Yeah.
Mark II GTI 16 valve, totally original, 2 owners from you.
I think it needs to go on its arse.
No,
Yeah.
it was on its arse, and I put it back to standards.
It wasn't.
It was lower. Now it's totally standard. Standard suspension, standard brakes, that drilled crap off.
Hasn't got a standard exhaust.
It has a Jetix system which were appropriate in the day. Had a DTM, getting that off. Has an original cassette player.
How many immobilisers did you have?
Yeah, 2, they're gone. Oh, sorry, they're still there in case somebody tries to steal it. Yeah. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
It is cool.
And it's got a proper cage-tonic 1.860 valve, not butchered to a Seat or an Audi 20 valve.
It needs a 20 valve in it.
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
1.860 valve from factory, 139 horsepower.
It's still a 1.8. It's just got a turbo on it.
No, not the same.
Modern engine, more reliability.
Did it leave the Volkswagen factory in 1989 with that in it?
No.
No, rest my case. Standard. Original is what we like best.
My Golf has still got the original build sheet.
That's nice. Is it?
Yeah, the original build sheet from the factory.
Yeah, but there's nothing original about it.
Oh, it's got the shell.
Yeah, but not even that's the original.
Oh, VIN plates.
It's filled in.
Yeah.
I might do a video in your car too, because nobody will believe me that that was a Mark III Golf. It looks like a purple egg.
You told me it was pink.
Yeah, alright, pink purple. Yeah, what colour is it? Go on, hint me, it's not pink.
Ruby Stone red.
It's still pink. Tell you one thing, I've never seen red that colour.
No, neither have I really.
If you ever get a girlfriend, ask her to get Ruby Stone red negligee.
Yeah? Okay.
Anyway, we must crack on a bit.
Yeah, good my way. Very nice, Ian.
Yes. Neutral.
Just got to the stop.
Yes. In time, because I need a toilet break. Too much coffee.
You've been moaning about that for at least an hour,
Is that an hour? Probably is.
if not longer.
Yeah. Lots of cars here, John.
Yes. I haven't seen many old ones.
Cars?
Yeah.
There's one in front. I think it's in an MG in front. Yeah, it looks.
I just couldn't see it from the smoke that was billowing out from the one in front.
Yeah, it's been tuned by EJ.
Been on the rollers. That Beetle.
This is a Bedford TM sleeper cab. They are rare. With a Detroit. Look at it, that is there. And rear wheels on it. Bedford, what's 470 horsepower? 470. That's what he does. It's a baby, that, isn't it?
Do you like it?
Yes, I actually do. Different. SCANIA, but I mean, it's nice.
I like
Yeah, right.
this one.
Which one? Oh yes,
This
Volvo.
one.
You would like. Oh, look at the line up there. I'll get a picture of it. Volvos. Oh, that one. Sliding windows. It must be an early one. Leather seats.
What do you think's the paint on it, Ian?
Yes. Did you paint that, John?
No, too sparkly for me.
I'm thinking that. I'm only joking. Look at this, John.
Bit nice,
Capri
isn't it?
2 litre S 1984.
I'm just thinking, Yana, close it.
Totally original, never ever been painted. Never been painted. What's your name?
Tim.
Tim, pleased to meet you. Ian.
All right,
I
Ian.
do a resto channel on YouTube.
All right, yeah.
Can you tell us a bit about it?
Yeah, it was my dad's. Yeah, he bought it when it was 4 years old, and then it was used quite regular for say 10-15 years, and then after that it became like sort of weekend car and show car. And then probably early 2000s he got ill and couldn't really drive
Oh,
around
bless.
too much, and if I'm honest, it wasn't used too much for
Yeah.
probably 15-20, well, say 20 years, and then I bought it out again last year
Fantastic.
and started using it again, and I just felt it was too nice to be sitting in the garage, to be honest with you.
It surely is.
Yeah.
Unrestored. That's what's amazing.
Yeah.
You see them restored, but the paintwork for a car being unrestored is first class.
I've got a mate of mine, and what he does is every year he buffs it up, and obviously I keep going around it with stone chips. If I get a little chip, he touches it in for me, and every year he'll pull the chips out and then just give it a really good buff for me.
Have you been to the Ford Fair with it yet?
No.
You need to do that. They do it at Silverstone, don't they, once a year?
I tell you what, I went to the Ford Fair.
Can I have a look inside it?
Yeah, of course you can.
Unrestored, that is mental. What mileage is on it?
60.
60,000. Flipping it. Interior's mint. Lovely inside, isn't it?
Thank you.
You're doing the right thing though. There's better been out.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah.
All cars like people.
Yeah.
When they sit around too much, they seize up and
exactly. Yeah. So
start getting broken.
So obviously when I started using it again, and it's not. Only thing it's had non-standard on it is the I've had a half stainless steel exhaust on the back.
No, nothing wrong with that. We like about that.
Yeah.
Might as well show it.
But yeah, so it was his, and it's a nice memory as well. So.
Of course it is.
Yeah.
And you'll have that memory when you're driving it.
Yeah. What's your YouTube channel called?
Nipper Resto Man.
Nipper.
Resto Man, yeah.
Nipper Resto Man.
Yeah, you look for it, you'll see it.
Okay.
This will be on it.
Okay.
Definitely.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Thanks.
Good meeting you.
See you.
Thanks.
Cheers, lads. Take
Nice
care.
that, isn't it? There you go. They are still about in this condition, unrestored. What do you think, John?
I like it.
Are you
Not really a Ford man, but I do like it.
You answered my next question before I got there. You're not a Ford man.
No, Volkswagen man, me.
Oh, what about this one?
Oh, now this.
What about a T1?
Yes.
You like them?
Yes. Very much.
Split windscreen. Look at that. You even get a cup of big tea in it. Look at that. Ooh. Triumph 2.5 PI.
Yeah.
Bet you've never seen one of them before.
Not for a very long time.
How old are you?
25?
Yeah. This is your friends?
Yes. Model Y.
Wanna why?
Harry, come and talk about your Model Y.
Swear at me like that.
Oh.
Well, it's here, it made it.
I hope that's not petrol you're putting in there.
No.
Not yet.
What was it? 99 octane race fuel.
Yeah.
555, man. I think coming down here.
Kilometres. Did you?
Yeah.
I bet she was going well then, singing.
Yeah, she was.
Prop shaft to be spinning.
I think more the fucking.
Oh, language.
More the fucking stuff on the wheel, on the valves will burn off.
Yeah, well, it does them good to get a good run.
Yeah.
All the tests. That is what.
Say a good one. The last run it had was Isle of Wight.
Was it?
500 miles in a week.
You drove it down there, did you? Good
Down
lad.
there, round there and back.
How old is it?
1936. So
Is it? Bloody hell.
87, 88.
Tidy. What's this for then? Roof rack?
No, it's drain holes for the sunroof.
Is it? Yeah. Tell you what, there's some seriously nice cars here today. I like this one. Mark 1 Escort. Do you like that, John?
Yeah, it's alright.
That's it. It's alright.
Better if it was Mexico.
Well, it might be incognito.
There's an orange one. There's
Yeah, I did see that, yeah. Mark 2 though, it's Mark 1. Oh, John.
He went round the speed bump.
He's happy now.
Alright. Ah,
One of them.
look at that, number 1. You got the first booking today. Oh no, 13's got a sticker on it. Oh, Spectre Morse.
Yep. Mark II.
Look at that old Bedford. That's a cool van, isn't it?
Yeah. I think you need one.
Yeah, that'd be a good
Work
fair's van, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Even got table chairs now.
Yeah.
Stag.
All your old Scania parts out
Yeah,
there.
I did a stag on my TikTok a couple of weeks ago. My mate Kenny's got 2 of them. That's a nice one, isn't it?
Do you think it's got a fan switch built in?
They needed it. Unless it's been rebuilt. What's that then? Go on, hit me what? What's that? Lomax. What's that then?
The Morgan.
I don't think it's the low. I've never heard of it before. So you got one wheel at the back. It's called the Dock. Oh well, we're just. I'm wondering, whose engine's in that then? Is that the?
Car is
What's your name? Sorry.
Citroen 2CV.
Is it?
Yeah, they take the body off and then twist the chassis at the back to give it one wheel instead of two, and put this body on.
So it's a 26 horsepower engine.
No, there's the engine, 2CV engine, V12.
Yeah, well, no, 2CV obviously is 26 and CV's for horse.
Yeah. Well, I was
Hiya.
knocking along this morning about 65, it would do it all day.
Would it?
Been at Paris, around a bit. But that's what it's registered as a 72 CV.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, CV's for chevaux, which is horse, so that's where the 26 comes from.
I've learned something today.
There you go. Well, and so have I.
It's a Lomax. They do a four-wheel version as well.
I don't know, I think I like the three-wheel version better.
Three-wheel's better.
Yeah. Well, there's a four, you've got one sitting beside you.
Yeah, I know. I don't know, yeah.
What's your name?
Ray Howes.
Pleased to meet you. Ian.
Yeah,
Ian
where you
McLean.
go, yeah. So what, you just down here for the day or having
Yeah, I got one of the lorries in the run today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's a fair bit of lorry turnout today.
Yeah, we like them.
Yeah, we do it every year.
I restore old lorries.
Yeah, where at?
Well, usually Inverness, but I'm doing a lot in Guyhern just now.
Oh, who are you doing for Guyhern?
Ken Thomas.
Oh, Ken Thomas. I knew Ken.
Did you?
I knew
I'm doing them with John. What? How much? This car is brand new.
Yes, it came from Peterborough.
Did it?
Into Peterborough.
Did it?
Yeah.
My goodness. And what did it cost brand new?
Yeah, about 2,400.
Would you sell it right now for 2,400?
No.
No, no
I've
chance.
had
Get
three.
what guaranteed did that
Well,
come
basically what happened is it's been allocated to my daughter.
Wow, it's fantastic
Now,
condition though.
the trouble is, she lives in Paris, and she said, I don't need a car. She's not interested in cars at all.
No. Well, it's good to use it. Is it the original Stag engine, isn't it? Yeah.
It's
What
surprisingly.
guarantee did you get that when you bought it new? 12 months?
Probably just with 12 months guarantee.
Have a quick look round.
Yeah. And it came with a number 1 Cambridgeshire plate.
I seen that, yeah.
I knew the head of the taxation department.
Did you?
And I rang Terry up and I said, have you got any nice numbers? Well, he said, we've got one, but it's been allocated to Marshall's Garage at Cambridge because he said there's a new Austin Allegro coming out. And it was allocated.
I'd have stuck with this, I can
So
tell
he
you.
said, we don't want a nice number on a car like that, do we? And he struck Marshall's off and gave it to me.
Yeah, we've got an automatic one in the garage just now.
Yeah.
And then the other one's, it actually came from Norfolk, it's up in Inverness.
Right.
It's a 4-speed overdrive.
You've got two.
They're not mine, it's a friend of mine. He's got two, and the one's in the workshop getting
Right.
restored. He's restoring, one came from Melbourne, Australia,
Really?
and it's right on drive, it's automatic,
Yeah.
and it's got the Triumph engine. And the other one came from Norfolk, it's
Yeah.
yellow, very similar to that yellow over there.
Right.
And it's a 4-speed overdrive on it. But he's got two of them. He was just at they had a big stag meeting actually up in Scotland
Yeah.
about 2 months ago. Some came from Switzerland, Germany,
Really?
England, they all met up at
I don't belong to them, the South Club, but I did it one time. They had a meeting in Switzerland.
yeah, well, the Swiss cars were at this meeting.
Yeah.
I think there was 50 or 60 stags all at one place, just about 6 weeks ago.
They've got quite a following now, haven't they?
Yeah, and they're fetching good money now.
Yeah.
Well, this one really fetched extremely good money.
See, I've got all the original.
Right, Ian, pleased to meet you, mate.
Good to know.
Look at that, John. 127,000 miles from you on the original engine.
Very clean.
That guy has looked after this car. You can see it's been cherished.
It's they tend to go up the rear boot lids, I think.
And did they not have an electric aerial at one time?
What?
You've been abroad with it too.
Yeah, I have, yeah. Been right through to. Well, when I first took the delivery, it went straight over to the Volkswagen factory in Germany.
Yeah.
That's his first trip.
Was it?
Yeah. And on the way there, I saw one in Luxembourg.
Did you?
Yeah, because they've not, you don't see many. Of that
Yeah, but in
sort.
Luxembourg at the time, there was a lot of British over there
Right.
at one time.
Yeah. Then.
Hence
it's
Radio
been-
Luxembourg.
It's been right down to southern Portugal.
Has it?
Yeah.
And it didn't overheat down there?
No, well, one thing I did notice is when it comes.
you put an
when
extra
you
fan
come-
on it?
No.
No?
When it comes to a standstill, the
gauge.
temperature go
Yeah,
right
yeah,
up.
yeah.
But as soon as you start, it went to normal.
Yeah.
So it's been right.
So how many years have you owned this car? Wow, look at
50.
that. You've owned it 50 years.
Yeah, 50.
That's off to you, my friend. That is lovely.
I'll show you the
one-
bonnet if you're interested.
Yeah, yeah, of course I am.
You'll see I've made
Yeah.
some changes.
Oh, let's have a look then, yeah. I'm more about engines.
Yeah.
And I love a V8. You alright?
Yeah, just a second. I'm on bifocals, so I always turn on the wrong spot.
Some nights bifocals don't even help me. Look at that, John. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh yes, it's got the Mark 1.
I can see that.
Yeah, I've got the. Originally, this is all covered in, but I prefer the.
The one we've got in Australia, that's got one of these, but it's chrome on the one that.
Oh
he's got.
right, yeah.
A new radiator.
Yeah, this is
And new header tank, aluminium header. Does it get more
And
water?
there's the alarm.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So when you get low water,
The alarm goes off.
yeah, that's good.
So no problems with.
Do you do a lot of maintenance on it yourself?
I've done it all myself.
Have you?
Actually, yeah.
Fantastic. That's what we look.
What else? Okay, electronic ignition. That's proved to be handy.
Yeah. You changed that. What you got here then?
That's the windscreen washer bottle.
Oh yeah, so it's a pump.
Yeah, that's the original, and it's got burnt.
Ah, I was
Unfortunately.
wondering what this was about. Yeah. Yeah, it's looking
You'll
really
see
good.
that's it.
Yeah, original.
Yeah.
That is lovely. Look, John, here is another octopus. This is the modern octopus, and I'm not really clued up a bit before my time, but I would reckon at A-Reg that'll be one of the last of them with the ergomatic cab. Somebody might tell me different. Octopus 2, you see.
Yeah.
Tell you one thing, if you'd have known you'd done a day's work pulling a load of cattle or livestock in that. Woodhull Spa. I say ding dong. I wouldn't be saying ding dong if I didn't load that, I'll tell you. What do you think, John?
I mean, don't look like the body's held on by a lot.
No. Yeah. Ooh. Here, one right behind you. Oh, can you give us a tongue? Give us a tongue. Yeah, oh, watch what you're doing with that hand. Oh, sorry. Oh, here he is, Captain Scania. Hell Drivers. You seen that film, John?
No, I haven't.
You should watch it. I don't know they're dodgy, but they look very like them. Alright, they're really cool. And I've two of them. Not sure about the seat in the back though.
Might be a bit drafty.
Yeah. So you've done all a day's work in that, wouldn't you? I'd like to see you start that.
You go first.
Yeah. Oh, there she is. King Daff. Now where's John Scott? There's Kenzie's tours. He did take a tour because he went straight on at the roundabout along Sutton.
Yes, I know the man that's driving that.
Is that the guy with the suit?
Yes.
Ah.
His name is Jeff.
Alright, Jeff. We better go and crank her up then. We'll probably be last out because we're stuck in here.
Yeah. Let's do some wizardry.
Oh, look. That's a fine seat you got there. I'm good. The weather's fantastic. Where are we in?
Oily carpet.
What model's that then? That's before my time.
That's KM.
What is it? A
KM.
KM, is it? It's nice, isn't it? It's nice, isn't it?
That was Bedford's move into the 32-ton market.
Oh. Tell you, it's fresh, isn't it? Where's that boy from? Local?
Yeah, it's main, isn't it? Danny? That's where they used to run. They did all market work. Like every day out,
Come on, Eileen. Hey, what? The drivers are getting younger every day, John. We've got a young driver this side. Asia Kate.
How was the truck stop, Ian?
Actually, it was refreshing. We met some nice guys, John.
We did.
We found two good stories of two cars.
Yep.
One was a Capri 2-litre S, one owner from new, unrestored, still like original, and one was the Triumph Stag, 50 years old, gentleman's owned it since new. What's the chances on a fine Sunday afternoon finding that?
Very rare, but very
You
good.
enjoyed your afternoon trucking?
It's been alright. I can't complain.
It's been amazing.
Yes.
For the content he does like. And now we're going through Whittlesea.
Might see Darren.
Yes, Darren. Well, oh,
trailer up?
No, I just cleaned the fifth one.
Oh, okay.
Thanks for watching the video on the Wisbech run. Hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to next week's. You'll see some more action, some lorry disasters in the restoration shop and repairs. And yeah, see you then.